For many people, drinking one freshly cup of coffee in the early morning immediately after getting up may be refreshing to their day, right? But as we have the creamy coffee or the sugar content, the whole cream and highly sugar content coffee, our weight will gain. Because of this reason, they will be worried to have a coffee, right? So, and also some say that by having coffee and tea in empty stomach, we will get acidity problems or heartburn problems. So for these all, we have a solution, that is, especially who are in weight loss journey, I have a special news for them. According to 2023 study, the researchers of some university found that the coffee may reduce body fat if you have in a regular basis, and also it will prevent the type 2 diabetes. So you may be happy by listening this line, right? Actually, but coffee how you should have, you should not have filled with cream and sugar. The black coffee will reduce your weight, and even it will help you to burn your stubborn belly fat. So today in my video we will see what all health benefits we have from black coffee and how it is useful for our weight loss journey. So welcome back to Dr. Meenakshi's Medica. This is Dr. Meenakshi, BMS MDIU Ayurvedic Pediatrician. Who won't like a cup of coffee which will refresh your mind when you are frustrated, or it will refresh your mind when you are tired, right? But with that cup of coffee, if you have benefits in your health and it will help in your weight loss, then the taste will be doubled, right? So today we will see. But if you are using a cup of coffee for your weight loss journey, then obviously it should be a black coffee, not a cream and sugar filled coffee. Black coffee boosts your metabolism. Yeah, the study shows black coffee is known to stimulate the hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones will give extra energy to your body to burn your calories, so that it will be helpful in burning your fat. And this black coffee promotes the weight loss. How? Means the presence of an organic compound called chlorogenic acid in this black coffee slows down the glucose production in your body, and also it will reduce the formation of new fat cells. However, we are having black coffee without sugar and cream, highly cream or any milk product, then obviously it will be low in calories. So according to this, a research study shows that by having 4 cups of black coffee in a day, it will reduce the weight for 4%. Obviously, by decreasing the hunger and increasing the metabolism, it will contribute in the weight loss. Scientific reason behind this black coffee. What is the evidence to show this black coffee will help in weight loss? As a study, it shows that caffeine content will make a mixed reaction in weight gain and weight loss. But result is, if you are having black coffee, means only a coffee boiled in water, then it will give result in weight loss. But that only caffeine you are having with high milk, cream and with high sugar, it will help in weight gain. So it have a mixed result. So choose wisely which content or which result you want, or else you can have a daily cup of coffee as a balanced diet. So if you liked the video, then share with your friends and families, and also they also will get the knowledge of black coffee. Thank you.